Did you do it? December 6, 2018. Watching the NASDAQ plunge. Let's see. The most current low for today was 69.8434. We're looking at the real-time quotes from Yahoo Finance. And I'm just going to play a little bit. Okay. Let's see where we're at. 69.91 right now. 69.84 was the lower for the day. Now let's go play. Okay. I'm going to watch. Next number I'm going to watch for the NASDAQ today will be 69.51. Where is it at? 69.87. Okay, 69. Nope. Nope. Where'd it go? There it is. 69.51 and 62 hundredths is the next price point to watch for the NASDAQ. And if it goes lower than that, then we need to explore watching 68.30. Really? 68.30. Yeah, 68.30. Okay, 68.30. No, 69.19. Is that right? Okay, 69.19 would be the next one to watch. Is it right here? Okay, so I'm watching 69.51 and 62 hundredths, and then I'm gonna watch. Oh no, wait a minute. Okay, I'm watching 69.72 and 25 hundredths first, and if it goes below that, then I'm gonna watch 69.51 and 62 hundredths, and if it goes below that, I'm going to watch, where'd it go? Huh. 69.19 was the next one lower somewhere in here. 69.19 and 16 hundredths. That would have been on November 23rd. Okay. Then after that, if it goes below that, this should hold. But 68.30 and 76 hundredths. Okay. Now, the market provided a somewhat strong bottom in the same area here. So, and it provided resistance on the way up here at about the same area. And so let's see here. That's the next ones to watch. Now we're actually about 12 or 13% off its highs. So we're in correction territory already. So for it to go down to 16. Very, very sensitive. I don't want to give it to you. There it is. Shit. Damn. I want that. Oh, right there. Oh, whatever that is. Jesus. What the? It won't let me stop it on. Oh. Jesus Christ. On it right there. 67. 6630, 6630, and 67 hundredths. Huh. Okay, those are the numbers I'm watching. Alright, looks like we've got lower highs and lower lows, but we are about 12 or 13%. We're in correction territory. They redefined correction now a few years back, maybe 10, 15 years ago. They redefined it from 10 years to 12 years to help themselves out there a little bit. But so there's the numbers I'm watching for the NASDAQ. If it goes below here, pretty much Katie bar the door. Because then we got to wait. And then we have a whole lot more to go down here. This will be it right here. 64.17 will be the real 64. Yeah, about 64.17, 64.50. This would be a level of support, kind of. All right, did you do it?